In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download AutoCAD for free using two safe and legitimate methods. We'll cover the free trial for anyone, and then the free student version, which is the best option if you're eligible. This is the easiest way to get started with AutoCAD without risking unofficial downloads, cracked files, or unsafe websites. So if you're trying to install AutoCAD the right way, this tutorial is for you. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful software tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First, if you want to try AutoCAD for free without any special requirements, the best place to begin is the official Autodesk free trial page. Open your browser and go to Autodesk's official website. Make sure you are on the real Autodesk page because that ensures you're downloading the legitimate version of the software. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Download Free Trial for AutoCAD. Click that button to begin the process. Autodesk will usually ask you to sign in or create an Autodesk account before you can continue. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, follow the steps to create one using your email address and basic account details. This step is important because Autodesk uses your account to manage your trial access and installation files. After signing in, you'll be taken to the download page. From there, choose the version of AutoCAD that matches your system, confirm any required details, and start the download. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. The installation process is straightforward, and you may be asked to accept the license agreement, choose an install location, and wait while the setup completes. After installation, you can launch AutoCAD and start using the trial version right away. The free trial typically lasts about 15 days, which gives you enough time to explore the interface, test the tools, and decide whether AutoCAD is right for you. This is a great option if you only need temporary access or want to try the software before making a purchase. Now, if you're a student, teacher, or eligible learner, there is an even better option, the free student version. This is the best choice because it gives you longer access, and in many cases, a full year of use that can be renewed as long as you remain eligible. To do this, go to the Autodesk Education page. Again, make sure you are using the official Autodesk Education portal. On that page, you'll need to sign up with your student details. This usually includes your school email address, name, institution information, and other required academic details. Autodesk will then ask you to verify your student status. Depending on your region and account, this may involve confirming your enrollment through an email, uploading proof of attendance, or completing another verification step. Once your student status is approved, you can log into your Autodesk Education account and download AutoCAD directly from your dashboard. From there, choose the product, select the correct version for your device, and begin the download and installation process just like you would with the trial. The big advantage here is that the student version is free for learning purposes, and it is intended for non-commercial use only. That means you can use it to practice, study, and build your skills, but not for paid client work or commercial projects. If you're a student trying to learn CAD design, architecture, engineering, or drafting, this is by far the most valuable free option available. So to quickly recap, if you want instant access, use the free trial from the official Autodesk page. If you're eligible as a student, go through the Autodesk Education page and get the free 1-year student license. Both methods are safe, official, and avoid the risks that come with unofficial downloads. And that's how to download AutoCAD for free the right way. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more software guides, and leave a comment if you want a step-by-step tutorial on installing and setting up AutoCAD next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.